This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by blocking in the car with simple shapes so proportions stay correct. Draw a long rectangle for the body, then place 2 circles for wheels. Make sure their centers line up. Once done, add a horizontal guideline about 1/3 from the top to position the roof and windows. You do this now to avoid erasing later. It's faster to adjust big shapes than detailed lines. Keep strokes light and deliberate so you can refine shapes in the next step. Now refine those blocks into recognizable car parts by defining contours and adding key details. Shape the wheel arches with smooth curves and trim the rectangle into a hood and trunk. Keep both sides symmetrical by checking with your guideline. Next, place the windshield and side windows, then mark door seams and mirror positions. Once done, add front bumper, headlights, and a simple grille. Use consistent line weight to show edges. This builds finish by inking or darkening the final lines and carefully erasing construction marks. You'll see the car pop. Add shading under the body and subtle reflections on windows to communicate volume, and refine tires with tread and hubcap details. Once done, step back and inspect proportions. If doors or wheels appear off, nudge lines or adjust arch size rather than redrawing everything. One key troubleshooting tip: compare left and right elements. Small tweaks to symmetry fix most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.